Check.
Send altitude 6,000, Cathay 919.
Okay, so intercepting. Pero hindi pa siya nag-clear to approach, no? So flying heading muna 611.
After hours,
To intercept the localizer at 55611.
Check.
Okay. Super shortcut.
Galing.
So nagka-flaps muna tayo.
581, good afternoon. Passing 1,000.
Bilis natin, ha? 4-5 tayo nag-take off, eh.
Wala namang traffic, ah.
Maintain heading,
Tapos pa tayo
climb
nag-flax.
5,000, Cebu 581.
Oh, 4-0 tayo nag-flax. Ito yata pinakamabilis natin galing Iloilo.
Oo.
Can we do 185?
50 minutes, no?
Para tayong si Lewis Hamilton nito, sir. Walang traffic, sir, oh.
Oo.
Wala pa akong ma-RFID, sir, eh.
Oo, bago pa lang.
Pero yung ginagamit ko, sir, di ba may card yan sa Wigo ko, may card.
Oo.
Yan yung bit-bit ko.
Oo, pwede.
Sinaswipe ko lang doon. Di naman na alam na sa ibang kotse.
Tama. 500 feet stabilize.
Continue.
Check.
Autopilot.
Autopilot up.
Check.
Low damper still on.
400.
Cebu 455, request position.
455, Hotel 4.
Wind from the left, 3 knots.
Check.
Tower Cebu 571, taxi
300.
for Hotel
Minimums. Minimums.
Landing.
Check.
Again.
Cebu 571, taxiing on Charlie for Hotel 2.
200.
571, good afternoon. Continue Hotel 2.
Yeah, Hotel 2, Cebu 571.
150.
43, good afternoon. Hotel 5 this time, ma'am.
CJ6243 Tower, good afternoon. Hold short of runway 13,
100.
number 5.
Hold short number...
Headwind, 3 knots.
Hotel
Check,
5,
number up.
number 5.
50. Auto throttle. 40. 30. 20.
Number 2 on North taxi.
10.
Cebu 971 Tower, hold short of runway 13,
Okay.
number 4.
6 boards, 10 boards. Diesel.
RPC 1079, vacate the runway by Romeo 2, taxi Romeo 3, Juliet, hold short of Papa.
Okay, by Romeo 2, Romeo 3, Juliet, hold short Papa, RPC 1079.
Hold short, papa.
Check.
Cebu 787, maintain runway heading, climb 3,000 feet, turning 1 city, clear for
Clear
takeoff.
right.
Runway heading, climb 3,000
Nice landing.
Thank you, sir.